Today at Secret Super Chef we have a very unique and different recipe for Baigan. It is called Dahi Baigan. It's a very fantastic and tasty dish all by itself, but you can have it with some Garamagaram Rotis too. Let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe we'll require the small Brinjals or the Baigan. You can take any variety, the purple one, the long one. Remove the stem and discard the leaves and slice the brinjals into thin slices. Make sure to cut them into thin equal roundels. Now heat a griddle, add little oil and let's tawa roast these roundels. If you want, you can deep fry them too. Turn them around and roast the other side too. All we have to do is roast them from both the sides till they turn nice and golden. Here I've taken 8 brinjals. I've tawa roasted them in 2 batches. Once they are all done, set them aside. Let's prepare the base. In a bowl, take 200 grams of thick yogurt. Add salt as per your taste. Sprinkle some fresh white or black pepper. Take half a cup of milk and gradually add the milk while whisking the curd. You can use a simple hand whisk. Whisking the curd will give a nice smooth texture and will not have those lumpiness. Also make sure you do not add the milk all together because we don't want a liquid consistency. The consistency of the yogurt should be nice, thick and creamy. I would suggest not to use homemade yogurt as it will be very runny. So use market bought yogurt. Any brand is fine. See, look at this creamy consistency of the yogurt. It's not very thin nor it's very thick. This is exactly what we want for our recipe. Final step is a tempering. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon oil. Once our oil is hot, add a few curry leaves. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them crackle. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of fresh garlic paste. This is homemade garlic paste. Fry this garlic paste in oil till it turns nice golden brown in color. We're not using fresh garlic here. We need the garlic paste here. Make sure to keep the flame low because the garlic will burn very quickly. Once our garlic turns golden brown in color, add 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon fresh cumin powder. Mix everything together. Our tadka or our tempering is all ready. Let's get our whipped yogurt. To this whisked yogurt, I'm going to add our tawa roasted Baigan roundels. Do not add all the brinjal roundels all together. We do not need all of them. Here I might have added 30 to 35 roundels. If you feel the dish requires more roundels, add them accordingly. Give a nice stir. If you feel that you need more brinjals, add them. On top of this, let's add our tadka or our tempering that we just prepared. I use the whole tadka in this one bowl. Give a gentle stir. Adjust the seasoning as per your taste. Our amazing tadke wala dahi Baigan is all ready. Have it as it is or have it with some Garamagaram roti, or you can even have it as a Baigan raita. Do try this recipe, and if you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel, like and comment on them. Thank you.